Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to find the length of a list in Python. We can use a length function to find the length of a list. So we have a list over here and we are going to use len function. So length function, and we are going to pass in our list. We have a list of programming names and we just need to run our code and print the result. So we're just gonna pass into print function, and here is the length of our list. Python counts the item in a list starting with 1, so you shouldn't run into any off by 1 error when determining the length of a list. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you for watching.